What's up, my YouTube crew? The gaming scene in India? It's on a whole other level. It's like our gamers found the ultimate cheat codes, and subscribers are pouring in like crazy. From mobile games to pro PC players, gaming YouTubers are the new superstars. But while we all love a good win, today we're checking out the best of the best, the top 10 gaming channels in India that are totally rocking it. We're talking millions of subscribers, views that would make a movie director sweat, and enough gaming skills to take over the virtual world. These guys and girls aren't just playing games, they're building empires, one awesome stream at a time. So, get comfy, grab your headphones, and get ready for some serious gaming inspiration, because things are about to get exciting. We'll be checking out their channels, seeing what they do, and finding out what makes them the ultimate gaming gurus. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because trust me, you don't want to miss this. At number 1, who else could it be? It's the one and only, the original roastmaster himself, Kari Minotti. This guy can spot a beginner from a mile away, and believe me, he'll definitely let you know about it. Ajay Nagar, the man behind the legend, started back in 2014. Back then, it was all about gaming videos and reactions. But then, the roast videos came out and boom! The internet went wild. Kari's humor? Savage, relatable, and funnier than a bug in your favorite game. He's not just roasting, he's breaking down internet culture, one hilarious video at a time. With 38.5 million subscribers, he's not just a YouTuber, he's a force of nature. Kari Minotti proves that gamers aren't just good with controllers, they can roast you with just a microphone. But here's the thing about Kari, even when he's roasting, there's a sense of, being good even though he's a little chaotic. Like, he's right, even if you're the one being roasted. He's not afraid to call out nonsense, whether it's bad content or just plain silliness. And that's why people love him. He's real, he's honest, and he doesn't care what you think. Kari's journey from gaming to roasting proves that you don't need to fit in to succeed. Embrace the craziness, find your voice, and who knows, you might just become the next internet star. But for now, there's only one Kari Minotti and we salute him. Next up, we've got the king of headshots, the emperor of mobile gaming, the one and only Total Gaming. This guy, also known as Ajubai, is a legend in the Free Fire world. Seriously, the dude lives and breathes Free Fire. With 35.2 million subscribers, Total Gaming shows how amazing Ajubai's skills are and how he makes even the toughest matches fun to watch. His videos are a masterclass in strategy, accuracy, and of course, some seriously funny commentary. You'll be hooked from the first kill to the last win. But here's the thing about Total Gaming. It's not just about winning. It's about the community. Ajubai has created a place where gamers can hang out, learn from each other, and share their love for Free Fire. He's always talking to his viewers, replying to comments, and even giving shoutouts. And that's what makes him so special. He's not just a gamer, he's a friend, a teacher, and a true leader in the Indian gaming community. So if you're looking for some Free Fire inspiration, Total Gaming is the place to go. Just be ready to see some serious gaming skills and maybe learn a thing or two about how to grab that victory. Total Gaming is more than just a channel. It's a movement, a testament to how big mobile gaming is in India. Ajubai, you're a legend. Up next, it's the master of all things GTA V, the king of San Andreas, the one and only Techno Gamers. This guy, Ujjwal Chaurasia, is like a virtual gangster, but without the bad stuff, of course. He's got the cars, the guns, basically everything you need to live the good life in the game. But Techno Gamers isn't just about causing trouble in GTA V. He's got mad skills in a bunch of games, from Minecraft to Call of Duty. With 34 million subscribers, he's built an empire on fun gameplay, hilarious commentary, and a knack for making even the most annoying missions look easy. He's like that friend who's good at every game, but you can't even be mad at him because he's just so cool. But what really makes Techno Gamers special is his connection with his audience. He's always talking to his viewers, replying to comments, and even doing live streams where he plays with his fans. He's built a community around his channel, a place where gamers can hang out, share their love for gaming, and maybe even learn a thing or two from the master himself. So if you're looking for a channel that's got it all action, humor, and a whole lot of heart, then Techno Gamers is where you need to be. Just be ready to lose track of time because once you start watching, you won't be able to stop. Okay everyone, let's talk about the professor of Free Fire, the master of strategy, the one and only Ghislaine Gaming. This guy, Sujin Mystery, doesn't just play Free Fire. He breaks it down, analyzes it, and then totally dominates his opponents with his knowledge. He's always 2 steps ahead, predicting your every move. With 14.4 million subscribers, Ghislaine Gaming shows how powerful strategy and skill are in mobile gaming. His videos are full of tips, tricks, and insights that will make you a better player, for sure. But don't let the serious talk fool you. Ghislaine Gaming is anything but boring. Sujin's commentary is hilarious, his gameplay is awesome, and he's always trying new strategies and challenges. He's not afraid to try something different, to push the limits of what's possible in Free Fire, and that's what makes him so fun to watch. But beyond the skills and the entertainment, Ghislaine Gaming is about community. Sujin is always interacting with his viewers, responding to comments, and even doing live streams where he plays with his fans. He's created a place where gamers can learn, grow, and share their love for Free Fire. So, if you're ready to improve your Free Fire game, go to Ghislaine Gaming and get ready to learn. Wait a second everyone, because we're about to meet the multi-gaming maverick, the king of content, the one and only, Desi Gamers. Amit Sharma, the man behind the legend, is like the inventor of Indian gaming, always creating new things, always experimenting, and always entertaining. This guy doesn't just have one channel, he's got a whole empire. Desi Gamers, Desi Army, Desi Gamers Esports, Desi Shorts, and Amit Sharma. It's like a whole media company dedicated to gaming. With 13.6 million subscribers on his main channel, Desi Gamers is a major player. From PUBG Mobile to Free Fire, GTA V to Minecraft, Amit does it all. He's like that friend who's always ready to play anything, and he's always got the newest games and gadgets. His videos are a mix of gameplay, commentary, challenges, and just plain fun. He's not afraid to be himself, to let loose and to make you laugh along the way. But what really makes Desi Gamers special is his love for the Indian gaming community. He's always promoting Indian gamers, supporting esports, and creating content that his audience loves. He's not just building a channel, he's building a movement, a community of gamers who are passionate, dedicated, and proud to be Indian. So, if you're looking for a channel that's got it all, variety, entertainment, and a whole lot of heart, then Desi Gamers is the place to be. Okay everyone, get ready to laugh because next up we've got the king of comedy, the master of storytelling, the one and only MythPat. This guy, Mithlesh Patankar, is like a unique comedic gamer with his own style. He's got this great energy, this way of making even boring things hilarious. With 13.5 million subscribers, MythPat proves that you don't need to be a pro gamer to be successful on YouTube. You just need to be funny, relatable, and good at telling stories. His videos are a mix of gaming, comedy sketches, reactions, and just plain weirdness. And that's what makes them so entertaining. He's not afraid to experiment, to push the limits, and to make you question everything you thought you knew about YouTube. But beyond the laughs, MythPat is a great storyteller. He's got this way of pulling you into his world, of making you feel like you're in on the joke. He's not just making content, he's creating experiences, memories that will stay with you long after the video ends. So, if you're looking for a channel that will make you laugh, think, and maybe even cry a little from laughing so hard, then MythPat is the place to be. Hey, what's up everyone? Get ready to meet the god of PUBG Mobile, the king of headshots, the one and only Dynamo Gaming. This guy, Aditya Sawant, is a legend in the Indian gaming community. He's got the skills, the charm, and the looks to make even the most bored gamer jealous. With 10 million subscribers, Dynamo Gaming shows the power of dedication, hard work, and a whole lot of talent. His videos are a masterclass in PUBG mobile gameplay, full of clutch plays, amazing reflexes, and strategies that will blow your mind. But what really makes Dynamo special is his connection with his audience. He's always talking to his viewers, replying to comments, and even doing live streams where he plays with his fans. He's built a community around his channel, a place where gamers can come together, share their love for PUBG Mobile, and maybe even learn a thing or two from the master himself. But Dynamo is more than just a gamer. He's an inspiration. He's shown that with hard work and dedication, you can do anything. He's a role model for gamers everywhere, proving that India can compete on the world stage. So if you're looking for a channel that's got it all, skills, entertainment, and a whole lot of heart, then Dynamo Gaming is the place to be. Okay everyone, let's talk about the original, the legend, the esports icon, Mortal. Naman Mathur, the man behind the name, is more than just a gamer, He's a symbol of India's rise in competitive gaming. With his signature calm attitude and his amazing skills in PUBG Mobile, he's inspired a generation of gamers to follow their dreams. With over 7 million subscribers on YouTube, Mortal isn't just a content creator, he's a brand, a movement, a testament to the power of passion and dedication. From his early days streaming from an internet cafe to representing India on the global esports stage, Mortal's journey is truly inspiring. He's shown the world that Indian gamers are a force to be reckoned with, and he's done it all with humility and grace. His YouTube channel is a mix of gameplay highlights, live streams, vlogs, and glimpses into the life of a professional esports athlete. He's not just playing games, he's sharing his journey, his struggles, and his successes with millions of fans. Mortal is more than just a gamer. He's a role model, an inspiration, and a true ambassador for Indian gaming. He's shown that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of talent, anything is possible. Hey everyone, get ready to enter the world of Beast Boy Shub, the GTA V storyteller, the master of chaos, the one and only Shubham Saini. This guy's great at turning the game into his own personal playground, and his videos are a wild ride from beginning to end. With 5.95 million subscribers, Beast Boy Shub has made his own mark in the Indian gaming community with his unique mix of gameplay, commentary, and storytelling. He's not just playing GTA V, he's creating stories, making characters, and putting together stories that are as funny as they are action-packed. His videos are like mini-movies, complete with plot twists, character development, and enough explosions to make anyone proud. He's got this contagious energy, this way of making you feel like you're right there in the game with him, experiencing all the chaos and craziness firsthand. But what really makes Beast Boy Shub special is his ability to find the humor in everything. He's great at turning even the most frustrating glitches and bugs into something funny, making you laugh even when you want to quit. So if you're looking for a channel that's got it all, action, humor, and a whole lot of heart, then Beast Boy Shub is the place to be. Last but not least, we've got the PUBG Mobile tactician, the master of strategy, the one and only Kronton Gaming. Chetan Changude, the man behind the channel, is a major player on the battlegrounds. With his smart gameplay, his quick instincts, and his ability to predict what his opponents will do, he's earned his spot among the top PUBG mobile YouTubers in India. With over 2.06 million subscribers, Kronton Gaming shows the power of skill, strategy, and a lot of dedication. His videos are a masterclass in PUBG mobile tactics, filled with tips, tricks, and insights that will help you improve your game. He's not just playing the game, he's analyzing it, breaking it down, and sharing his knowledge with his viewers. But Kronton Gaming is more than just a channel for hardcore PUBG mobile fans, it's also a great place to learn the game. Chetan's commentary is clear, simple, and easy to understand, making it easy for even beginners to learn the basics. So, if you want to get better at PUBG Mobile, or if you're just looking for some high-quality gameplay and commentary, then be sure to check out Kronton Gaming. So, there you have it everyone, the top 10 gaming YouTube channels in India that are totally crushing it right now. From funny roasts to amazing skills, these gamers have got it all. They're not just playing games, they're building communities, entertaining millions, and putting India on the global gaming map, but this is just the beginning everyone. The Indian gaming scene is growing like crazy, and these channels are just a small part of what's to come. So keep supporting your favorite gamers, keep playing, and who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one on this list. Until then, keep those controllers warm, those reflexes sharp, and keep it locked right here for more awesome gaming content. Peace out.